Hi, my name is DAYANKU. My metric number is CB2000-27. Today, I will present about introduction and objective. The selected project is a one-story bungalow house located at Jalan Usaha 2, Taman Sri Lambak, with an area 2,925 square. The house has 2 living rooms, 3 bedrooms, 1 dining area, 2 bathrooms, 1 toilet, 1 kitchen and 1 laundry area. In addition, there are 2 spaces for accommodate bicycles. This house has been developed since 2002 and has been existent for 20 years. Since it was developed in 2002, the electric appliances used for connection are limited and use old wiring. And there are additional family members in the house, so there are several appliances in this room using connection to connect additional appliances for daily use. This situation will be dangerous because the use of electrical equipment exceeds the proper limits. Therefore, the house will be renovated to add 1 extra bedroom with adding some appliances and electrical sockets, such as MCB, in the distribution box, which reduce the use of connections. Discussions are made with the clients and the wiring work process is carried out based on the agreed addition of electrical equipment according to the desired requirements, which is MCB 6 ampere is used for light circuit and MCB 20 ampere and 30 ampere are used for outlet socket. The installation of electrical equipment such as ceiling fan, fluorescent lamp, wall lamp, globe lamp, exhaust fan, 1 gang switch, 2 gang switch, 3 gang switch and 4 gang switch. Components in distribution fuse boxes are also changed, and components such as surge protection device SPD are added to keep each electrical appliance old and newly protected from damage and prevent things from happening that endanger the user. The wiring work was done by 2 workers, which took 2.5 days. After the completion of the wiring work, evaluation and inspection work are carried out to ensure that each piece of equipment and wiring connected is in a good condition and usable. This check is also to ensure that there was no negligence during the installation. Next is the objective of the project. Based on the problem that has been stated, which is the house using the old wiring and the addition of family members in the house, the objective of renovating this house is intended to: first, home improvement and renovation will make additional family members more comfortable. Second, home renovation can ensure that electrical appliances and home users are safe from dangerous things due to the use of electrical appliances that exceeds the limit. Third, the use of extension to connect the supply to electrical equipment can be reduced in the house. And last but not least, electrical equipment used in the house will not damage and be safe because electricity supply connected from the distribution box is adequate.
Assalamualaikum and hello. So I am NURUL NADIRAH BINTI JAILANI from Group 3. I wanted to continue this presentation with the next point about background of project. So we will continue this presentation with background of project. So we know that today's home renovation is a very popular process and it is the dream of every individual, especially for those who are just owning their own house for the first time. Basically, home renovation are not only done to make the house look beautiful, tidy and comfortable, but also for investment. Therefore, the house renovation project for the wiring section that we wanted to do for this project is with house with an area of 2,925 square feet. This simple single-story bungalow house is located at Jalan Usaha 2, Taman Sri Lambak, Kluang, Johor. Okay, for the additional information, Taman Sri Lambak or Bandar Taman Sri Lambak, Bandar Cik Nam, is a township in Kluang district at Johor. Established under the Kejora, Lembaga Kemajuan Johor Tenggara program. It is third largest new town in the Kejora zone after Bandar Tenggara and Bandar Punawar. So, if we can look at here, this is some of the picture of the house that we wanted to do a project, a wiring project. So, this is the house of bungalow, simple story bungalow at Taman Sri Lambak that we wanted to do a project wiring.
Next, I will explain about the scope of the project. As we all know, the objective of this project is to make all of the occupants in the house more comfortable. So, for the first job that has to be done in this project is all of the component in the distribution box has to be changed. Distribution box were also replaced because the existing distribution box in the house is an old type and it is necessary to change it to a new one to ensure the safety of the house more than the existing one. For main switch component and earth leakage circuit breaker, which is ELCB, we still use the same size as available, while the miniature circuit breaker, which is MCB, it is changed by using MCB 6 ampere size for the circuit lighting and MCB size 20 ampere and 32 ampere for the use of outlet socket, which is SSO. Next job that has to be done in this project is upgrade the electrical wiring system in the house. This wiring system was small, but the use of extension wire was more than the use of outlet socket that connected directly to the MCB. So, we took the initiative to upgrade the home wiring system to a more secure and systematic wiring system by eliminating the use of extension wire and increasing the number of outlet sockets connected directly to the MCB section on the distribution box. Lastly, new wiring also done due to the addition in the installation of electrical equipment such as fluorescent lamps, ceiling fans, wall lights, and exhaust fan. The request is from our own customer to make the wire connection for the lighting circuit is according to the space of the house that has been given. So the next point is procedure of this project. Firstly, the owner has to do some research first. A homeowner is also necessary to find out whether the ownership house unit is possible to do the renovation or not. This matter usually need to be referred to the respective district municipal councils. The existence of such condition for owners before carrying out renovation of their home is none other than to ensure the safety and right of others around their house. Next, as a responsible homeowner, it is also necessary to plan from the beginning how the renovation is to be done, what the desired design is like, and research should be related to the space that has to be renovated so as not to cause problem and inconvenience to the homeowner himself later after the renovation. As we all know, in order to provide comfort to family member by making home space renovation as well as a safer wiring system, a homeowner also need to take into account the cost required to make the renovation. Financial planning is basically important and a key that needs to be taken into account so that it doesn't not burden the homeowner. After that, only then the renovation process can be done. all of the wiring process has to be done in this process. But as a safety precautions, first thing that has to be done is by disconnecting the entire electricity supply in the house. Lastly, the wiring process of the wire circuit is done by pulling the wire from the MCB component to the electrical equipment added in the modification. The addition of electrical equipment include an added of ceiling fan that has been added by 5 pieces, a wall lamp, 2 globe lamp, and an exhaust fan. Last but not least, after completing the wiring process, the next procedure is to check the functionality of the wiring system by turning on the power supply. This inspection process is to ensure that the condition of the house that has been renovated is in safe condition to live in.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is NURZAHIRAH from ZULKIFLI. I will present you about the material selection and installation course. For material selection, the material selection process can produce several options. Through this process can also help the contractor to make the best choice for components and materials that will be used in this project. From this material selection process, is also able to help the contractor to make a final decision on the materials they need to use in production, often with the help of focus groups of beta testers who have the opportunity to interact with different models and provide feedback on model materials. So the first one, the item that we use is distribution box, and then is SSO for this wiring project. 13 ampere switch socket outlet was selected to be used. For this socket are serum approved and have been made in Malaysia. In addition, these sockets are durable and also elastic quality with PVC material use. Next is ceiling fan. We use the brand of DAYANKU with 5 plates with remote controller. And then wall lamp, globe lamp, exhaust fan, switch, PVC surface nut box, wire. We use 1.5 mm pure copper cable and 2.5 mm pure copper cable. And then for the installation cost, the total of installation cost is 3,113.94 Sing. So this is the item, quantity that we use, and price per unit, and the total. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, for the last content or for the last section in this video presentation is about CAD drawing. Okay, from in this infographic we attach 2 picture of floor plan, which is include before and after picture. So for more clear picture, we go through at the PDF one. Okay, this is before floor plan and after floor plan. What we can see here is another one bedroom are added at this at the living room side, and before that bedroom 2, and we add one more bedroom at this side. So what we can look here, so dining area and others area in this room are same with the old one. So we just add one room and add some electric appliance, and we change also the distribution box. What we can see here, from the wall fan we change to ceiling fan, and at the bathroom area, at the bedroom 1 and 2, also toilet, we change the lamp from the fluorescent lamp to globe lamp. And another one is we add socket outlet at bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and from the old one we can see there is no socket, because as we know that at this house the wiring is more use extension wire for their daily use, so that is a very dangerous way to use electric components. So we use parking area to build another 1 bedroom. So that is, so what we can see here before. Okay, this is before schematic diagram for before pipe. We can see here. So use 10A MCB and only 16A MCB for socket, while 10A 10 ampere MCB for lighting circuit lighting. Okay, so this is the component of electric component that used before this at this house, while this is a schematic drawing after the wiring renovation are being made. So we add ceiling fan, we add block lamp and exhaust fan, you can see here, and we also add a socket outlet, and we change the use of MCB from 16 ampere to 20 ampere and 32 ampere, from 10 ampere to 6 ampere, and also we add SPD for more safety in this house. Okay, so what we can see, okay, here is the CAD drawing. Okay, just like I just like I show before this at PDF site lah. Okay, this is the wiring. The blue one is the wiring diagram. Is the blue one is the way of the wire. Okay, what we can see here, and we add a component electric appliance, and we use ring circuit gelang at this part for 32 ampere, because we use 6 socket outlet at this part. Okay, I think that's all from us from group 3. I hope this wiring project will give an idea for whoever who wanted to renovate or make a change of their wiring home. So that's all from us. Thank you and have a nice day.